everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Malibu. Great car, guys. Neat car. Some really cool options. This is a factory Van Nuys, California built car. This is a factory color combination, Mulsanne blue with the dark blue and vinyl interior. This car is a factory J-code L48 car, and it does have the matching numbers L48 350 underneath the hood. They have stepped it up just a little bit, little cam to it, but really clean, straight car. This car's got all the original body panels. Factory air, just charge the air blows ice cold, and really just a good car. You can see it's sitting on 18 and 20-inch Ridler wheels, ZR rated rubber all the way around it. We got a few sprinkles dropping here right now, so if you see some water droplets on it, it's just from the weather. It's cold here today and 70 tomorrow, so the weather here in Michigan just doesn't know what it wants to do. Cowl hood, again, slick Mulsanne blue paint, front disc brakes. Car was actually ordered, just a little something in there, a little wax on it. Car was actually ordered with a factory 12-bolt rear axle in it. Again, it's original L48 J-code car. Car's only supposed to have 45,000, whatever it is, 45,000 original miles. Looks like it's got the original bumpers. It's definitely been repainted. But really just a nice car. Factory soft ray glass. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. Pretty car. And I think it's got the original front and rear bumpers on it. They've added the SS emblems. Cars in Malibu, they put the SS emblems. But again, it's got the J code, which is what the Super Sports came with originally. You can get a big block in these cars, but they actually came standard with a small block. Car's lowered down just a little bit. It's got a great ride. It's actually got tubular front suspension on it. Straight down the sides, again, slick paint, really hits the road good. Just a little baby doll. If you're looking for something to have fun, just cruise in. I think you'll have a blast with this car. Front disc brakes. Again, matching numbers, L48 350 car, stock 4-barrel, stock exhaust manifolds and intake, HEI distributor. They did say they stepped up the cam just a little bit. Power steering, power disc brakes and air, 350 turbohydramatic trans. Tubular upper and lower control arms. Pretty car. And dual chrome mirrors. Looks like the original door handles. You're telling me this original interior, man, that just looks too nice to me. Door seams are nice and clean. I mean, look how nice that is. I know it's the original carpet, original sill plates. Those seats have had to been recovered. They're too nice. All the original seat belts are in there. Headliner looks great. Stock steering wheel, yeah, 45,891. That's supposed to be the right miles for the car. Aftermarket Audiosounds radio and AM/FM radio. Pretty much bone stock in there. Dual exhaust. Again, factory 12-bolt rear axle. It's not a big gear. It's factory air cars, so probably like a 308 or something rear axle. Clean in the trunk. It's all spackle coated. That's a nice car. If you're looking for something to take cruising that you don't have to break the bank and spend $60,000 buying, I think you'll have a blast with this car. Interior's really, there's no way this is original. There's no way. It's just too nice. Dash is clean. They've had to redone those seats. I mean, they feel repadded. I mean, they're nice and firm. Those can't be original. Maybe they just kicked your air on. Like I say, he said they just charged the air. This runs out great. Everything opens and closes nice. That's a little sweetheart right there. Somebody's gonna have a blast with this car. Yeah, fuel gauge works. That's really it there for gauges. Fit and finish is really nice. Great sound. Oh, it came with the black mats. I'm going to pull those out. I've ordered the right blue mats for this car. Nobody likes to order them because they're $259, but they are on the way. Radio works, blower motor works. So when they come in, I'll just swap the black ones out for the blue ones. Oh, we got to adjust the headlight over here, I can tell you that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.